Hey, what's up, millionaire? So welcome to the new Dogecoin brand video, my brother. Absolutely, this video is going to be very branded now because, my brother, a lot of currency is very badly falls down. But in this time, Dogecoin will absolutely, my brother, you can see here sometime moving upward, sometime falls down. So it's mean, my brothers, to this is comfortable coin, my brother. This time, all crypto market is not comfortable, but my friend, Dogecoin will also moving upward now. So this is very stable coin, my brother. If you want to invest in Dogecoin, so I think this is very good option, my brother. Your opinion is also good, my brother, and my opinion, listen, my opinion, my brother, to in those days if you hold it, so I hope, my brother, Dogecoin hold it, so I hope they will move upward and they will give you a very good profit now. So why are you doing this mistake? Why are you starting selling? Don't sell it, and let's predicate this coin, my brother, to upcoming time. Can really there is a chances to they will move upward or not? So first of all, my brother, this time absolutely Dogecoin will losing now in last 24 hours minus 1.72%. They are change. Okay, you can see a negative, so they are lost now, and absolutely, my friend, after this fail they will starting moving upward now. So I hope, my brother, they will recover this all lost and they will give you a very good profit, but just only need your my friend, focus. If you are starting selling, so they will fail down, but if you are hold, so they will moving up for now, the price will be increasing now. So what are you want, my friend? What you want? Do you want a profit, or, my brother, you want to loss now? So I hope, my brother, you want to profit, so kindly just only that's need, my brothers, to you hold it. Thanks for watching Dogecoin Holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please, if you are new my channel, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon because obviously channel will notify you. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.